Hi everyone! Today I'll be discussing how blockchain technology is reshaping identity management in the fintech sector and how this transformation aligns with the foundational principles of privacy by design. Identity is central to every financial transaction, but today's centralized systems are prone to data breaches and limit user control. Blockchain flips the model. It offers decentralized, cryptographically secure identity management, reducing risk and enhancing both trust and privacy. So let's begin with what blockchain brings to the table. First, it's decentralized, eliminating single points of failure. Second, it's immutable. Once data is recorded, it can't be changed. And third, it's transparent and secure by design, thanks to advanced cryptography. These features actually make blockchain an ideal foundation for identity systems. A powerful application of blockchain in this space is self sovereign identity or SSI. SSI allows users to own and control their identity credentials. Through decentralized identifiers and verifiable credentials, users can selectively share only the information required, boosting privacy and reducing reliance on third parties. Also, the benefits are substantial. Blockchain streamlines KYC and AML processes, reduces fraud, and supports regulatory compliance. Most importantly, it gives users more control over their data, improving the overall user experience. Privacy by Design is a proactive framework developed by Dr. Anne Cavoukian. It includes seven key principles, from privacy being the default to end security to user centric design. These principles are critical to compliance in today's privacy first world. So, in the seven key principles, it includes proactive, not reactive, preventative, not remedial, privacy as the default setting, privacy embedded into design, full functionality, positive sum, not zero sum, end to end security, full lifecycle protection, visibility and transparency, and respect for user privacy, user centric design. Blockchain naturally aligns with all seven PBD principles. It prevents breaches with cryptographic security. It embeds privacy into system architecture. It ensures users control their data by default, and it maintains transparency without sacrificing confidentiality. Features like zero knowledge proofs makes this possible. So now let's look at some real-world examples. So for Sovereign and Newport, it enabled decentralized identity on public blockchains. For MasterCard and IBM, it offers enterprise-grade solutions. And for Civic, it provides minimal disclosure verification for users. So these platforms are already reshaping how identity works in financial services. Of course, there are challenges. First is scalability. Blockchain networks, especially public ones, can struggle with throughput and latency issues. Next is interoperability. Close cross-platform support for DIDs and VCs is essential for mainstream adoption. Next, regulatory uncertainty. Blockchain's immutability conflicts with privacy rights like the GDPR's right to be forgotten. And lastly, user education. Users must understand and trust complex decentralized identity systems. Looking ahead, blockchain identity will integrate with Web3 and DeFi, powering use cases like on chain credit scoring and token based access. Privacy enhancing technologies like zero knowledge proofs and homomorphic encryption will make systems even more secure and user friendly. So, to wrap this up, blockchain empowers fintech with identity systems that are secure, private, and compliant. It aligns with private by design, giving users control while meeting regulatory demands. Though challenges exist, the trajectory is clear. Blockchain based identity is the future of digital trust in financial services.